Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today on Cooking with Fergie, it's Philly cheesesteaks, folks. That's right, I've joined the Blackstone family, and I'm here to share it with you. All right, guys, stay tuned. First things first, peppers and onions. Now, I cut these up, and I had them sitting in olive oil and vegetable oil mix. Oh, you know what? I almost did it. I put down a little bit of oil first. Blackstone spatulas. Spread it around a little bit. Alright. There's something about peppers and onions on the grill, folks. Just makes it feel like summertime. Now here in Texas, we waited till this evening to cook. It was 100 degrees today, 115 in the sun. Sun goes down, the grill goes up. All right, folks. We're gonna put the lid on that, let it sit for a minute. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's give them a stir. And I'll leave this thing on low, to be honest with you. You know, when I was purchasing this one, I looked at the bigger ones. But they just gobble up that much more propane. So I figure I can cook for myself and my neighbors on the 22-inch Blackstone. That was the choice I made. All right, looking good, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I like to use both grills over here. I'll turn this one on. And we'll do our buns over here. And it'll work out real well. I'll just put this on low also. Alright guys, it's time to put on the meat. Now, I hand it to you guys to cut up your own meat. You get your roast, all that. Hats up to you. Me, myself, I go to the deli and I get the medium rare roast beef. Just take the whole thing and I cut it up, break it up. I mean, it works for me. I mean, it's just so nice. Alright, so we got our meat down. Get ready to put our buns on. And give these peppers one more toss. Whoops. Someone over the back. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Now, see? That deli meat, I'm telling you, it really just works out good. And again, all this is on low, you know. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and add my own little salt and pepper to the mix. I had two of these, folks. I tried it with one, I did. I mean, it just helps. All right, guys, buns are going on in a minute. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's take a look-see. Oh, looking good. Okay, I won't lie, I added a little bit of butter while you were away to the steak. Okay. Get ready to put those buns on. So I've got them ready to go. Alright. Okay, I got them in there. Alright guys, let's get back to our steak. Alright, so it's ready for cheese, folks. Okay, so for the cheese, I've already pre-packaged it per sandwich. So we'll go like this. Now, 2 of these sandwiches are getting peppers and onions. One of them is not. Okay. I'm going to turn this one off. We've got provolone and Gouda. Alright, so everything's getting turned off at this point, folks. We're just going to do with the heat we got on the burner. Peppers and onions. I'll leave those on something else. We're going to put the lid down on these, check on the buns. Alright guys, let's see what we got. It's looking good. Got our plates. Oh yeah. Bun's looking good. So we're just going to take this. Put that on there. Now, this sandwich is going to go back on the other grill. Alright folks, now on to the next one. Okay, so this last one is going on here. No onions. Toast the bottom of that bun a little bit. Stay tuned, I'll have them plated up for you in a second. Alright guys, let's see what these things look like. Oh man, look at that. The cheese is just dripping off the top rack. That's right, I'm going for effect, I won't lie. Does that not look good? Philly cheese. Folks, the Philly cheese. Hey, so I've had the Blackstone for about a month and a half. We've got a few more recipes coming your way. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.